in this video we'll discuss about maximum subarray sum. This is one of the logical program that we have to see in this video. So what is the meaning of maximum subarray sum? If suppose we have one array of positive elements here, if we add all the elements, then this is referred as the maximum subarray sum. This is 27, right? We have to just add all the elements when all the elements are positive. But when we have like a positive as well as negative elements in our array, then it becomes difficult to find the maximum subarray sum. So here, for example, we have this array, and here we have to find the maximum uh, subarray sum. So if we add first two elements, then it will become like a -1. What if we add first three elements? It will become like -4, right? What if we add all the first four elements? It will become 0. So we have to check array, this sub array, in such a way that it will give the maximum sum. So here it can be a single element as well. If we see we have single maximum element is 4, right? So the element will be around that only. The sub array will be around that maximum element only. So if we add -3 plus 4 like this, if these four elements, then it will become uh, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 3 2. So 2 is not a maximum number. Then 3 -3 plus 4 subarray, here it will become 1. Here addition will become 1. Now if we add these two, then it will become as a 3, like 4 minus 1 3. If we add these three elements, then the sum will become 4 plus 2 6 minus 1 5. So the 5 is the maximum sum that we are getting here from this array. So here the maximum sub array sum will become 5 for the elements 4 minus 1 2. So this is our final output, this, and the output will be 5, right? So this is the same way we have to write the code in such a way that it will find the maximum output, maximum sub array sum output. And yeah, basically I'm using Java language. I have created one class maximum subarray sum, and in this class I have created one main method, and inside this main method we are having the arrays. Here first we'll start with the all positive elements inside the array. So let's understand how it works for the all positive elements. So this is our array nums, and here elements will be 2 4 3 2 1. And then we have taken two variables, currentSum and a maximum sum. So we have assigned values nums of 0, which means array of 0, which is 2, right? And for both variables like currentSum and maximum sum, so the value of both will be 2 2 as per the nums of 0, right? Then this is the important for loop that we need to understand. For integer I is equal to 1, I less than nums dot length, which is length of this array, and I plus plus. So this for loop will execute till the length of this array, right? Then we need to understand these two important lines of code. So let's understand one by one. So the first one is currentSum. CurrentSum is equal to math.max, so which will find the maximum value among nums of I, comma currentSum plus nums of I. So there are two different values inside the this bracket, and the math.max will find out the maximum value, right? So nums of I will be this is the nums, and I value will be this I value, right? For each iteration I value will change. So currently for first iteration I value is 1. Now for the first iteration currentSum value will become math.max num of 1. So nums of 1 is 4, right? So here 4 comma current sum value is 2, that we have taken nums of 0, right? Nums of 0 will be 2. So 2 plus num of 1 will be 4 again. So 4 comma 2 plus 4 is 6, right? So the because we are using math.max, 2 comma 6 will be, the value will be 6, right? For the first iteration current sum value will become 6, which is the maximum value, right? So for the for the maximum sum is equal to math.max. Max sum is initially we have assigned value as 2, right? Num of 0 means 2. Here 2 comma current sum, we got current sum value from this line, and here it's 6, right? For the first iteration values will be 2 comma 6. So math.max will find out the maximum value among these two, so here it will be 6. So the maximum sum value will become 6. For the next iteration, when I value is 2, here we will get nums of I, that is nums of 2 will be 3. Here nums of 2 is 3, so 3 comma 6. 6 is the current sum value, plus again nums of 2 will become 3. So 6 plus 3 9, right? And 3 comma 9, the maximum value it will select, so the current sum value will become as a 9. Then for the max sum is equal to math.max, the max sum value we got here for the last iteration as 6, right? So now it will become 6 comma current sum value we got here is a 9. So among 6 comma 9, the maximum value is 9, right? So we will get a maximum value as maximum sum as 9. So value for each iteration will update, and finally we will get the maximum sum output here. So if we execute this code, we'll get the maximum subarray sum for the integer array, or for all the positive integer elements. Here we are getting 12. So let's check once again. So this is our array, integer array with all the positive elements. If we add 4 plus 2 6 9 11 and 12, so yeah, this is the correct answer that we are getting. So now let's check for the first array. Let's comment out the second array, and this will not work. I will just remove this because this is not useful now. Okay, let's keep it here. And here the maximum sum will be different because the array is different. Here we are getting 6, so I guess the sum of maximum subarray sum will be this, because if we see 4 minus 2 minus 1 will be 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So this is the maximum subarray sum. uh, yeah, because, and we can't go beyond this, because here it's minus 5 which will decrease our sum, and again here it's minus 3, and we can't go beyond minus 3 because here it's only 1 which is very less value, and here it's 4 again which is less than the minus value, right? So we can't go beyond these numbers. So this is our maximum subarray sum, and yeah, this is how we can find the maximum subarray from the given integer array, or all the mix array. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.